Are you struggling to unlock your iPhone because the swipe up feature is acting up? Well, you've come to the right place. If restarting, force restarting, resetting, or updating your iPhone hasn't solved the issue, these fixes will do the trick for you. Primarily, adjusting touch accommodations can change how your screen responds to touches. For this, navigate to Settings. Go to Accessibility, tap on Touch, and choose Touch Accommodations. Enable it, and set Tap Assistance to Use Initial Touch Location. On the contrary, Reduce Motion might also be the culprit. To disable it, head to Settings. Scroll down and go to Accessibility. Then tap on Motion and turn off Reduce Motion. Additionally, if you've enabled the VoiceOver feature on your iPhone, swipe gestures may not function properly. To disable it, open Settings and go to Accessibility, and then select VoiceOver. If it's turned on, simply double-tap to switch it off. Lastly, consider removing your iPhone's case or cover. Ill-fitting cases can sometimes hinder swipe gestures, leading to issues with functionality. We hope these fixes resurrect your swipe-up gesture. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech for answers to all your daily tech queries. Also, dive into one of these videos we've picked just for you.